What's up guys, Naresh here, welcoming you back into another video where today I have got my hands on JBL Go 3, a small portable Bluetooth speaker which is equipped with all latest Bluetooth 5.1, the brand new JBL design, playtime of up to 5 hours, surprisingly big audio sound and a punchy bass for sure, an ultra portable design so you can take it anywhere you want. Also come with the IP67 water and dust proof rating. So it's a pool party proof, and the best thing is the JBL signature sound, which is legendary to be honest with you. With JBL Go Through, you are getting one quick startup guide, information leaflet and a warranty card, one USB-C type charging cable, wherein last but not least JBL Go 3 portable wireless Bluetooth speaker, which come with the all new branded JBL logo in the front and also anti-slip stand as well. Kind of pretty decent looking speaker honestly speaking, and on the back you have a hard patch as well. Holding bracket is pretty nice and kind of a little bit of flexibility on it. All button to control the volume and a play and a pause available on the top, whereas power on and off and a Bluetooth button can be seen on the one of his side. And on the other side you're going to have an access for hanging hook as well as a USB-C type charging port. Over on the back of a speaker you have a very solid patch with the specifications mentioned very clearly too. It seems to me that JBL started branding their speakers. Before they used to have a small logos in the front, now they gone with the bigger logo and anti-slip rubbers in the bottom, which looks fantastic, and you're going to see them all commonly available on their all new Bluetooth speakers like a JBL Extreme 3 or the all new which is upcoming JBL Charge 5. Now to pair this speaker with your mobile phone, you do not need to work hard at all. Simply press and hold on the power on button, and by going into the Bluetooth settings of your mobile phone, within the available devices, you should be able to locate JBL Go 3. Click on there and click pair button after. Once it's paired, you're also going to hear a notification on your Bluetooth speaker. Now you are good to go and ready to enjoy the Bluetooth output performance. Now just before we go ahead with the audio output performance, I would like to point out one important thing in here. This JBL Go 3 does not have any microphone in there, which means that you cannot use it for Bluetooth calls at all. Now within the performance test, I will be playing some royalty free music from YouTube, which will be consisted over a range of frequencies, and I would highly recommend everyone to use earphones or headphones if possible. Well, not that bad at all. This JBL Go 3 can really put up a really punchy bassy sound output, and for this tiny Bluetooth speaker, the amount of output it gives, it is fantastic, to be honest with you. With the only output power of 4.2 watts, and throwing a bass like a proper you expect from any little bit higher range Bluetooth speaker, I'm pretty impressed with this speaker. Using it out and about worked really great for me, to be honest with you. Never found any problem at all, and the new design of JBL is obviously the best thing to have. Well, I suppose I have shown you enough around this Bluetooth speaker. The things which I have not mentioned, they are actually not a part of this JBL Go Bluetooth speaker at all. Like having a party boost option or a hands-free does not contain it. You don't need it. It's just a Bluetooth speaker you would like to grab and go and have a 5 hours of playtime on a simple beach party if you want to. You always don't need to carry big beastie speakers with you. A little one can pound up nice bass and at least 5 to 10 times louder than your mobile phone for sure. Now that will be all, guys. Thank you for watching this video. Shall see you soon into another one. See ya. Bye.